Hey guys, so I really have not vlogged in a while. Like, I looked at my YouTube and my last video was a month ago, which is pretty damn disappointing. So I'm definitely going to aim to do more videos this year. Basically in December we went to Philippines, me and Nov. We went for his cousin's wedding and then we spent another week checking out some awesome islands. Currently got to Nov's and he's working on his, I was gonna say he's pretty much fixing. He's working on his Supra because last week we went to Calder Park drag racing in Melbourne and he really wanted to race, even though he kind of was predicting that he's gonna have issues with his clutch. And guess what happened? On his first run, his clutch is dead. Like, it's not funny, but he actually predicted it. He was just hoping it's not the gearbox. And I just spoke to him and he said he checked everything. It's definitely not the gearbox, but he's got some issues with the clutch. So we're gonna go see what he's up to and how he's going with working on the car. Nov also polished my headlights last week because they were looking so bad. I feel like they're gonna get really dirty again and foggy, but it's definitely looking better than it was. Oh, and yeah, his badge was broken and Nov ripped pretty much the rest of it off and said that he has a new one, and then he checked and he hasn't got a new one, so now I have to order another one online. Yeah. Hey Nov. Hey. Where are you hiding today? There you are. Hey, welcome to the vlog. It's been a while.
Sure.
So I pretty much filled in everyone and said that you had issues at Calder Park and that your clutch is gone, as you had predicted. So, and I told them that it's not the gearbox. Yeah. So, yeah. Anything you got to fill us in about? What are you doing?
Well, I'm fixing the old clutch.
Yeah.
Get all these damn dowel pins out first.
Are you going to attempt to save it or something? Because I know you've got a new clutch, a better one.
Yeah, this is it. It's the carbon RPS.
Ooh.
The big boy. But it came loose, so it's ended up with like a nice hammer finish.
Yeah.
Where it sits against the crank. So I gotta machine that out, but I can't get this centered on my lathe, so I have to pull these fucking dowel pins out first, which I didn't want to take out.
Why not?
Because I had to fucking drill them and shit, so...
More work?
Yeah, it's just more work for nothing.
More work for nothing. Do I get the feeling that the V8 is going to be in the garage for a while?
Maybe not.
No?
Maybe not. If I get this sorted quick, it's basically gearbox out, put this new clutch on and knock it on.
What I have a feeling you've done this before. Nov, is there anything that you haven't done in your car a couple of times over? Like, seriously, is there anything that has gone wrong that you haven't replaced, fixed, done at least 3 times over?
Not that I can think of.
Yeah, exactly right. Nov's a very experienced man in the Supra game. Seriously, like, he should have his own videos where he actually explains in detail what he does and how to overcome issues, because he's had some. He's had a few. Hey Nov, I gotta get your opinion on the new Supra later, but you know what? I feel like saving that for a whole new video. We're gonna save our opinion on the new Supra on a whole new video because I know everybody's talking about it now. So Nov's hard at work. I'm probably gonna end this little video here. I think tomorrow we're going to a meet, which is a pretty big meet in the afternoon. So hopefully we'll make it to that, because we also want to watch Gigovic play the tennis, which is very important. We do it every year. But yeah, we should be heading off to the meet. Obviously not in the V8 either, but we'll have to take my car and Nate's car. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.